Okay friends, now let's see the fifth mean. Fifth mean also quite simple. How we solved fourth mean, same type. Here also we have to play with the sign, that's it. Okay, see here, state the sign of the product if A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are the positive integers. Okay, now let's see the first question here. The first question is about minus A, minus B, positive C, negative D, negative E, positive F, positive G and negative H. Okay. So here, I hope you remember the last tip. Okay. I told you in the last main, right? When we have even number of sign, then obviously the result will be positive. When you have the odd number of sign values, then you will obviously get the negative result. Okay. Let's count the negative numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally we have a 5 negative integer. So obviously the result will become negative, right? So let's write negative. Okay. Now let's see the second question. 31 negative integers are there. 2 positive integers are there. Okay. See here, 31 negative. 31 is odd number. We know that. So obviously the result will what? Negative. Right. So the third question is about 28 positive integers, 14 negative integers, right? So here we have 28 positive, 14 negative. 14 is an even number, so obviously we will get positive result. Okay. So let's write positive. Got it? Now we finished the fifth main. Let's move on to the sixth main. Okay friends, now let's see the sixth main. Okay. Sixth main is fill in the blank or fill in the empty boxes with greater sign, lesser sign or equal sign. Okay. We have an idea about the greater sign and the lesser and also equal sign. Okay. In the last classes we already studied that. Okay. Let's see the first question. So first question is what? 6 plus 3 into 11. Here we have an empty box. Okay. And here 6 plus 3 again multiplied with 11. But what is the difference in these two cases? Here we have a bracket sign. So according to the BODMAS rule, we know that bracket has a first preference, right? First we have to solve this one which is in the bracket. Next we have to do the multiplication thing, right? But here in the first case, you can see there is no bracket. But what we can do? Anyways we can do like addition or multiplication. Okay. Now let me solve this first equation now. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. So what I'll do now first. So let's solve the left hand side first. So here I am going to do these two first. Okay. 11 into 3. So that is 33. Addition sign 6 is there. Okay. As it is I wrote. Again. Same box carried. Here we have to give a first preference to the bracket thing. 6 plus 3 which is 9 multiplied with 11. Okay. Now let's add these two things. It is what? 33 plus 6 which gives 39. Okay. Next we have a box again. Now let's multiply these two things. What is this? 11 into 9. 11 into 9 is what? 99. Correct? Is this equal? No, right? So then tell me, what sign will come here? Which number is greater? 99 is greater one. So we'll write this symbol. 39 lesser than 99. Got it? Okay friends, now let's see the second question here. Minus 6 into minus 5 minus 2. Minus 6 and minus 5 are in a bracket. And let's see the right hand side. Minus 6 is in the bracket. And also minus 5 and minus 2. These two are also in a bracket. Okay. So according to the BODMAS rule, we are going to solve it now. See here. Minus 6 and minus 5. These two are what? Multiplied to each other. Now let's multiply these two terms. Okay. Minus into minus what? Addition sign, right? Positive. 6 5 is what? 30 minus 2 we have, right? Now again a box. Here minus 6 as it is, we'll keep it. Now let's solve the bracket thing. Minus 5 minus 2, which is minus 7. Correct? Okay. 30 minus 2 is what? 28. Which is positive sign because greatest number sign is positive. That's why. So again a box. Let's multiply 7 and 6. So 7 6 are 42. Negative to negative is what? Positive. What we got the answer? So we are getting 42 as the answer. 7 6 as 42. Okay. So here which sign will come? This again. 28 is lesser. 48 is greater. Okay. Okay friends. See the third question. 7 into minus 3 box minus 3 into 7. You can see this is look like closure property. If you see these two, it is a closure property. If you see both the side, then what can you say? This is a commutative property type, right? Here 7, here also 7, here minus 3, here also minus 3. What happens here? A into B, but here it is reversed, B into A, right? Just a reversing. Now let's see the answer for this. 7 3s is what? 21. 7 3s is 21. Negative sign is there. Negative, I keep it. Okay. Now here also what is that? 7 3s or 3 7s is what? 21. Negative sign. Those two are equal, right? Now let's write the equal sign in the box. Okay. Okay. Hope you understood this main as well. Okay. Now let's move on to the next main. Okay friends, then we are in the 7th main. 7th main is about match the following. Very simple, right? So here we have A column and a B column. We have to match it. Here some questions they have given. We have to solve it by using the BODMAS rule. Okay. Then we have to match with the B column, right? Let's see the first question. 6 into 7 plus of minus 3, right? Plus of minus 3 becomes what? Minus 3 again. Okay. Now let's see. 6 7s is what? 42 now, right? So I'll write it here. First, for the first question, I'm writing here the calculations. 6 7s is what? 42, which is a positive value, right? Next we have negative into positive is what? Negative 3. Now what is the answer? 42 minus 3. 42 minus 3 is what? 39. Right? Where is 39? Here. B has a 39, right? So let me mark these two. Okay? So these two are the answers. Okay? Now let's see the second one. Now let's see the second one. See here, 6 plus 7 we have. What is that? 6 plus 7? It becomes 13, right? So let's write the 13 over here. Positive into negative is what? Negative 3. So what is the answer? 13 minus 3 is what? 10, right? Where is our 10? 10 is C. Okay. Second also completed. Now let's see the third one. Okay. Third one is what? 6 is multiplied with 7 plus of minus 3. Here it will become negative 3. So 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is what? 4. Okay. So 4. 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is what? 24. Okay. 6 into 4 is 24. So where is 24? D. D is a 24. So we are going to mark these two. Okay. Now fourth question. So okay. Fourth question calculation will do. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is what? 13 again, right? And multiplied with minus 3. Minus 3, it is multiplying, right? So positive into negative is what? Negative only, no? So let me write it this using negative sign and the multiplied sign. Okay, see the fourth question. Here we have 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is what? 13, and we have a multiplicable sign and we have negative 3 value, right? So these two are multiplied each other. Let's multiply the sign first. Positive into negative is what? Negative. 13 threes. 13 threes is what? 39. See here, 3 threes is 9. 3 ones are 3. So the answer is what? Minus 39. Where is minus 39? Here. So minus 39 is over here. Correct? Now we marked it. So let me write the answer here for you. So this is what? A. For the second one is C. For the first one is B. Second one is C. Third one is D. And the fourth one is A. Got it? Simple, right? Yes, this is very much simple.